sound test part of the video. Now I'm just gonna kind of review things that are different with the bike and some problems I've had. Some things that are different is the motor setup. The exhaust comes around all the way, and it is a shorter exhaust too, and it comes around all the way through here, and it's shorter like a 2-stroke. What else is different? Oh yeah, the air filter is in the front where the gas tank used to be, and you can see that's the gas cap part of the seat. The gas tank is right here. It's under. It's a 2-gallon gas tank is what I read. I'm not for sure. The 2014 to 2017 or 18 is about the same bike. Little things are different. Some problems I've had is the fork seals. You could see the oil coming out. The shifter, and I know you could hear the front fender scrapes against the radiator guard. You could see down in there. You could just trim this back and it'll stop, but it's not just my bike that has that. It's my friends who have Yamahas do that too. I just wanted to post something. The bike is still dirty. I've been on vacation and stuff, so I haven't cleaned it. I will be posting more. Comment down below if you want me to do more of like a vlog style or keep doing this stuff. And that's it for this video. See you guys next time. I will be posting more. I will try to be posting more because I've just been really busy with vacation. And I got a new gear outlook. That might be the next video. Ooh, almost forgot. I got this bad boy. Got an SSR 125 2 days ago. And when I bought it, it was pretty nice. The next day I got it out to ride, the whole motor was smoking. It's like a single frame, so you could turn the wheel all the way. It's just a bad bike. It's just wobbly, and I don't feel safe on it. So I'm gonna sell the SSR and get maybe get a TTR 110 to match this. That might be the next video, or my gear outlook. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching this short video, and I'll see you guys next time.